When you have something like this and you want to disappear the connection between two bones like this, you can, as I said before, you can bring this layer at the bottom and disappear. Or if you want to, if you don't like that and you just want to delete this connection, you can use a patch. The patch tool is here. You can connect the patch tool for bone. This is a patch tool. And then you have to link a layer that you want to maintain, that you want to keep that layer. In this case, so I think the layer 2, yeah. I want to keep the layer 2. And this is a layer. Don't forget to place the patch tool above all layers in a bone category folder. This is our patch tool and it's a layer. You have to select that. You can make it a bigger. As you can see, this patch tool linked to the layer 2 in conjunction with the layer 1, and it delete the layer 1 and it's keep the layer 2. And this is patch tool if you want. This is a layer. You have to behavior the patch tool as a layer. That's it. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.